Look at this. You can shoot these bat blocks up there using only 3 balls. We have aiming, shooting, and that's it. Yeah, let's go in the game. So you can see that we have 3 balls here using bullet behavior, no gravity, but bounce off solids is on. So when it hits walls which are solid and blocks which are solid, bounces off and goes and moves around. Okay, so in the code you can see that we have this group. We destroy the first arrow and we a little bit zoom in the layout, and in the shoot you can see that I use touch to work on PC and mobile devices. So when we start the touch, we pick the nearest ball to the touch and save its ID in ball UID variable, and while we touching, we destroy all the arrows. We calculate the power based on maximum value of trajectory max width, which is 250, and distance between ball's position and touch position. So this one takes minimum value between these two, so the maximum value will be this, and or distance of these two positions. Okay, so we have power, we have angle in here, which is the angle between ball and touch, and then we need to create all the arrows while we touching. So we create 5 arrows. As you can see, we set this arrow count to 5, so we create 5 arrow using for loops in this position. First position of this formula works like this: the first position, the angle, and the distance. Okay, so the first position is ball's position, angle is V angle, which is angle between ball and touch, and the distance is power, which we calculated in here, divided by arrow count multiplied by loop index. So for each arrow we have a position based on its index in the for loop. Okay, so this is the formula for drawing arrows in the screen while touching. Okay, so we also set the angle of the arrow to V angle. Okay, and here you can see that if power is less than 50, we don't allow shooting, and we make the arrows opacity to 20. Let's see that. Okay, you can see that it is the place that we can shoot. So when we end the touch, you can see that it doesn't shoot, but when we go higher than 50, the opacity goes for 100 and we can shoot. But low power, low speed, because the trajectory's length is low. Okay, so when we make this higher, you can see that it goes faster, just like this. Alright, so power less than 50, no shoot, otherwise shoot is available. And when the touch is end and shoot is available, we pick the ball with this ball UID and enable the bullet behavior with a speed of power multiplied by 5 with angle of arrow dot angle, and then we enable it and we reset this variable. Okay, and also we remove all the arrows. Okay, so in this group, as you can see, when block hits a ball, the block is solid is disabled, and using twins we actually fade it out and remove it. Yeah, you can see that destroy on complete is yes in here. So when the size is 0 by 0, it's completely destroyed. And when the ball goes out of a screen, the ball destroys, just like this. And for the practice, you can have a code to know where the level is completed or when you lose. So you can have it and try that in this project. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.